are going to love the 2016 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, sport appearance package. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.